The evil English teacher. There's an evil English teacher. He's a very bad teacher. He comes into his class. The students are sitting at their desks, waiting for him. The teacher says to the class, "Every day, we'll study English grammar. If you make a mistake, I'll hit you with a stick." Then the teacher opens his textbook. He says, "Today, we'll learn the past perfect progressive verse tense, as well as the future conditional." He points to a girl and says, "What's the past perfect progressive?" The girl, very nervous, she says, I don't know." As soon as she finishes speaking, the evil teacher jumps across the room with a Lego stick and hit her on the head. The girl cries. The other students are very scared. The teacher points to a girl and to a boy and says, "What is the future conditional?" The boy says nothing. The teacher says, "Go ahead, answer now." The boy says, but we haven't learned it yet." The evil teacher says, "In other schools, you don't know it." He jumps across the room and hits the boy head on the head. The boy cries. All the students are scared and miserable. They hate the evil teacher, but they are lucky. One student has a cell phone. She secretly dialed the number of her friend, Aji. Aji answered the phone. "Hello." The student whispered, "This is scary. Help us. Please help us. An evil English teacher is beating us." Aji said, "Don't worry, I'll be right there." Aji jumps on his motorcycle and speeds to the school. He runs through the point down the hill, and bursts into the class. He says to the evil teacher, "Stop hitting these students, you bastard." Then he runs across the room. He picks up a desk and hits the evil teacher with it. The evil teacher falls to the floor. He is beaten. Aziz looks Carrie and says, "What do you want me to do with him?" Carrie says, "It's up to you. You decide." Aziz threw the evil teacher out the window and said, "No more evil grammar study. You are free." The students cheer. Yay! Everyone is happy.